The 1-inch wheel spacers match up alignment. If you use general brand spacers and install them correctly, adding 1-inch wheel spacers won't mess up the alignment. The main factors involved in setting the alignment to specification are the cases, camber, and toe. Once they are set up properly, the direction and the angles that the tires point in are fixed. Installing 1-inch wheel spacers will not change its alignment space, as all the suspension components will still retain their basic geometry relationship with each other. So, you don't need an alignment if you install 1-inch wheel spacers. Actually, these 1-inch wheel spacers improve the handling and appearance of your car. The wheels are set further apart, reducing body roll and improving stability. By increasing the track width, spacer boosts the handling of curves and swerving, which help your vehicle perform better on the road. This means you will enjoy more dynamic and comfortable driving. A set of good 1-inch wheel spacers are the perfect solution for your very specific driving upgrade needs. Safety, precision, durability, and the best experience are what set apart BONOSS from other 1-inch spacers manufacturers. In addition, BONOSS active cooling 1-inch wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat displace effect and improving road safety. If you are looking for an extra layer of safety when mounting your wheels, these BONOSS active cooling 1-inch wheel spacers are worth considering. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.